Good day, dear students. I am Ma'am Crisel, your science teacher for this episode. In this episode, you're going to learn about the different stages of mitosis. This is under the milk, compare mitosis and meiosis, and their role in the cell division cycle. Your goal for this episode is for you to be able to identify and describe the different stages of mitosis. On the previous episode, you learned about cell cycle, that it has two phases, namely the interphase and the M phase. In this episode, I am going to discuss one of its phases, the M phase. Are you ready? Let's start. Have you ever wondered the amazing process that causes your wounds to heal? Or when you notice that you're a lot bigger now compared when you were 5 years old? The amazing process that causes your wounds to heal and your growth is mitosis. Mitosis is simply a process by which a single parent cell divides to make two identical daughter cells. Now, where does mitosis happen? Mitosis is a type of cell division that happens in your body cells. Halimbawa ng body cells ay ang inyong skin cells at cells of the intestine. Ano nga bang mga cells na hindi nag-undergo ng mitosis? Did you guess it right? Very good! Ang hindi nag-undergo ng mitosis ay ang mga tinatawag na sex cells. Sex cells do not undergo mitosis. Examples of sex cells are sperm cell in male and egg cell in female. Balikan natin ang definition ng mitosis. As you can see, we have here underlined words. We have single parent cell and two identical daughter cells. Ito ang highlight ng goal ng mitosis. The goal of mitosis is to produce identical daughter cells. For example, a skin cell will produce identical daughter cells. It would be weird if there would be stomach cells on your skin, right? Now let's proceed to the different stages of mitosis. I would like you to remember PMAT. This acronym will help you to easily remember the different stages of mitosis. I repeat, PMAT. P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. Before we proceed to prophase, we have interphase. During interphase, cell growth and DNA replication happens. Kung babalikan natin ang cell cycle, this is the interphase. So in interphase, it simply prepares the cell for cell division. During prophase, the nuclear membrane starts to disappear or disintegrate. Also, during prophase, the chromosomes coil or condense. Comparing prophase and interphase, during prophase, we have chromosomes which are condensed structures of chromatin. So during interphase, we have chromatin, and ang chromatin ay nag-condense or nag-coil forming visible chromosomes. Another event during prophase, we have the formation of spindle fibers. Now let's proceed to metaphase. During metaphase, nuclear membrane disappears. What about the spindle fibers? What can you observe? Very good. The spindle fibers attach to the chromosome, specifically to the centromere. Centromere is a specialized region of chromosomes where it serves as the attachment point for spindle fibers. What about the position of chromosomes? What can you observe? Alright, the chromosomes are located at the middle. That's why M for metaphase, M for middle, because chromosomes align at the middle. Next is anaphase. During anaphase, chromatids or each chromosome separate and move towards opposite poles of the cell. This allows the sister chromatids to separate into individual chromosomes. And the movement of chromosomes towards opposite poles of the cell is facilitated by the spindle fibers. Also, I would like you to remember the term away. A for anaphase, A for away, because the chromosomes move away from each other. After the anaphase, we now have the telophase. So this is the last letter of the acronym TMAP. During telophase, the nuclear membrane starts to reappear, and as you can see, the spindle fibers disassemble, and the chromosomes are now located at the opposite poles or ends of the cell. Furthermore, in telophase, two nuclei are formed. Nuclei is the plural of nucleus. What about in terms of the number of chromosomes? What can you observe? Alright, each nucleus now contains the same number of chromosomes. We have here another part of the cell, the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance found within cells. This last stage of mitosis, the telophase, marks the start of cytoplasmic division or cytokinesis. That is why elongation is observed during this stage. We now have cytokinesis. Cytokinesis follows the telophase, wherein it is a process by which cell splits into two identical daughter cells. Identical in such a way that the daughter cells contain equal number of chromosomes. Now to sum up, mitosis is very essential for growth and development and the repair of your tissues. And it is consist of several stages. Remember the PMAP. We have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The end result of mitosis is the formation of two identical diploid cells or two identical daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as the parent diploid cell. Now, what would happen if your cells wouldn't divide? Hold your curiosity for the next episode. Thank you for listening.